Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble elevator in Minecraft. First, gather your materials: a water source, soul sand, and magma blocks. These elevators use water currents to move you up or down quickly. You'll need to build a vertical shaft, typically 1 block wide, and fill it with water. This setup creates a fast and efficient way to travel between different levels in your base or world. To create a continuous water column, start by placing water source blocks at the very top of your enclosed shaft. You can also place kelp from the bottom all the way to the top, then break it. This method automatically converts all flowing water into source blocks, ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted column. A full column of water is essential for the bubble mechanics to work correctly. Now for the magic. To create an upward elevator, place a soul sand block at the very bottom of your water column. This will generate upward moving bubbles. For a downward elevator, swap the soul sand for a magma block. This creates a downward pull, allowing you to descend quickly. You can even combine them for a two-way system. When building, enclose your water column with solid blocks or glass to prevent water from spilling out. Design clear entry and exit points at each floor you wish to access. Once constructed, simply step into the water column. The bubbles will automatically propel you up or pull you down, making vertical travel in your Minecraft world incredibly fast and convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.